Hello, I'm here today with
Tim, and I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Northern Europe for Televic Conference.
And what does that exactly entail?
That means I help out our distributors, I do demonstrations to end users, and generally keep all of the conference needs for Northern Europe together.
And Televic Conference has a lot of prestigious institutions and clients all over the world. Could you maybe tell a little bit more about the challenges that come with installing projects and solutions of conference into historical buildings? Because I can imagine, the architecture and some things you need to consider. Can you explain a little bit more about that?
Yes, certainly. So one of the biggest regions I have is the UK itself. We have a huge amount of historic listed chambers, which means that have preservation orders on them that we cannot touch the furniture. So anything that has been done in the past has to stay that way. And the challenge there is trying to get something that bring these chambers into a more modern, useful venue without closing the doors and saying it's just a museum. So we work alongside heritage officers for different councils to try and get our technology to help their meetings in historic buildings.
Okay, interesting. Could you give some more examples of recent projects where you also installed or actually made these custom conference solutions happen?
Yeah, so a recent one we did was the Wirral, and that's involved an old Bosch system that was an old Philips system, very old, that was in there. Again, all planning had to be through the heritage officer. Heritage officer only said we can replace what's there, but we had to do out new functionality. So we went in with the team of integrators and designed a custom fit panel that would fit inside with exported electronics. Sounds slightly complicated, but just it enabled them to be able to put our technology in a listed building without cutting new holes. So they now have camera tracking, voting and identification in something that really, if we hadn't put that in, again, they would have closed the doors and not been able to use that site.
Okay, that's great to hear. Thank you very much, Tim.
No problem.